Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. I'm Dr. Ted Pettis. You caught me folding clothes. And yes, that's right, I'm a male. Hey, we here at Men Folding Clothes have been exploring the way different men fold clothes and see if they actually enjoy it. The one type of person that has eluded us, we've been searching for years at Men Folding Clothes, is the banjo player. And kids, today we have found a banjo player who we believe knows how to fold clothes, Andreas Ponderelli. Andreas Ponderelli, would you like to fold some clothes with us here at Men Folding Clothes?
I would be honored to show this skill that I am so proud to possess.
Is it real?
As unique as it is.
Now, can you prove to us that you're a banjo player? Because that was off screen what we were hearing there a moment ago.
Yes.
We want to know this is the real thing.
Quintessential.
That's the real thing right there. So let me finish my fold here I've been doing, and then we'll...
I'm really appreciating your technique there.
Yes, and look at that. Do you know who that is on the t-shirt?
This happens to be one of my great teachers, the bear.
The bear?
Yep.
Whoa. Okay.
That's a good fold. That's a good fold.
This is a Phil Cheney t-shirt, isn't it?
Yeah.
I believe. That's like one of my favorite folds right there that holds it together. But another thing we like to show here at Men Folding Clothes is, can someone, a male, actually unfold and then refold, proving that it is done just for the joy of folding?
I will show you this, and I want you all to be aware there's a special banjo players. We got picks. It really helps the fold. This helps you tuck it in. So, all right.
Well, with the banjo on.
Oh, it has to happen that way. Otherwise, you move too fast and you don't get the proper. So clearly, it is unfolded from being folded before. It took me a little while to learn it, but I'm proud I could help anyone who needs. So here, I'll show you this technique here. Fold in. Make sure the sleeves look like sleeves. We fold in again. If you go into my drawers, you will see t-shirts folded.
Hey, how about that, y'all? A banjo player folding clothes. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Men Folding Clothes here at the Candler Park League of Musical Justice. And until next time, keep it creased.
Oh, what do you know? I put down the Joe when I bust a fly blow, swinging to and fro. It's all about what? It's all about what? It's about music and love, but that's the same thing, at least the way I see it. Yo, I'm living like a king, I got empires of love and happiness. My smile's so big, y'all, even when I'm spitting this. When love music surrounds me, you can't get me down. It takes too many muscles to frown. I like that sound. Oh, banjos in space, banjos in your face. Yo, I really do love some banjo drum and bass. Lock deep in a groove, pump your heart, make you move after you're in a trance dance, after smoking them plants. I play the banjo, it's the machine gun of notes, and I'm coming to you now with words from my throat and from my heart, because that's the place it should start, especially if you want to be true to your art. I love all things that make a positive impression. Positivity, in fact, is the lesson that I'm stressing. Don't walk around spreading negative vibes. Keep your eyes on the prize. Try not to ostracize yourself from the love that surrounds us, everyone. Life's too short, I just want to have fun.